Discover the top 8 best Amazon finds that make life easier. From must-have gadgets to home essentials, these picks are game changers. Don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, and check the links in the description to grab yours today. This bamboo charcuterie board set is a perfect blend of elegance and practicality, making it a great gift for any occasion. With a hidden drawer stocked with cheese knives, serving utensils, and a wine opener, it's designed for effortless entertaining. The natural bamboo material ensures durability and sustainability, while the built-in groove provides extra space for crackers, fruits, and nuts. Whether for a housewarming, bridal shower, or holiday gathering, this stylish board adds a touch of sophistication to any table. This sleek and modern rotating sunglasses organizer is a stylish way to store and display your eyewear collection. Made from durable stainless steel with a 360-degree rotating design, it offers easy access to up to 12 pairs of glasses while saving space. The built-in tray provides extra storage for jewelry, watches, and accessories, keeping everything neatly organized. Its minimalist design adds a touch of elegance to any room, making it a great addition to your home or a thoughtful gift for any occasion. The Neretva 20-in-1 bread maker is a versatile and compact kitchen essential designed for effortless homemade bread, gluten-free baking, jam, yogurt, and more. With dual heaters and 360-degree baking technology, it ensures even heat distribution for fluffy, delicious results. The non-stick ceramic pan offers a healthier, chemical-free surface, while the all-metal design enhances durability. Featuring a 15-hour delay timer, 3 crust color options, and quiet operation, this bread maker is perfect for busy households. The Feppo 2-pack mini bag sealer is a must-have kitchen gadget for keeping snacks and food fresh. This 2-in-1 handheld device functions as both a heat sealer and a cutter, making it easy to reseal chip bags, cookie packs, and more. With no preheating required, it instantly seals bags to prevent spills and reduce waste. Its compact, portable design includes a magnetic strip and lanyard for easy storage. Battery-powered and ready to use, this bag sealer is perfect for home, travel, and outdoor activities. The Rolink Flex Vega medium-checked collapsible suitcase is the world's first fully collapsible hardshell luggage, folding down to just 2 inches for easy storage. Made from premium polycarbonate, it's scratch, water, and impact-resistant for long-lasting durability. Weighing only 7 pounds with a 17.17-gallon capacity, it features a TSA-compliant lock, a height-adjustable telescopic handle, and silent coated wheels for smooth gliding. Ideal for travel and storage-savvy adventurers, it's available in multiple stylish colors. The Ototo Dunkin' Egg Yolk Separator is a fun and quirky kitchen gadget designed with a basketball net shape to make separating egg yolks effortless. Perfect for foodies and NBA fans, this unique tool adds a playful twist to cooking while ensuring easy cleanup and durability. Beyond yolk separation, it's great for poached eggs, meringues, and more. Made from food-grade materials, it's both practical and entertaining, making it an ideal gift for home chefs and basketball lovers alike. The Suntage Laundry Basket Organizer is a versatile and sturdy addition to any laundry room. This hamper features 6 sliding compartments with removable, breathable Oxford fabric bags, making it easy to sort and store laundry. The metal frame and particle board construction ensure durability, while the rustic brown laminate top provides a smooth surface for folding clothes or storing toiletries. The bags attach securely with hook and loop fasteners and slide out smoothly for easy access. With adjustable feet and simple assembly, This organizer is both practical and user-friendly. The Gazhome Tilt-Out Trash Cabinet is a stylish and practical storage solution for any home. Crafted from durable MDF wood and stainless steel, this freestanding cabinet features a sturdy design with an upgraded door mechanism for added stability. It neatly conceals 2 standard trash bins while offering extra storage space with a hideaway drawer. The smooth white finish complements modern decor, and the versatile design allows it to function as a kitchen island, recycling station, or laundry bin.